Hi there. Today, I'd like to quickly show you the Magnifier tool inside of Trimble Perspective. Now, this tool is great in that it allows you to zoom in on a specific area and see the points loaded at full density. There's a couple of use cases that I'd like to show you. I'm going to start out by looking at evaluating the quality of my registration. Now, I've just done a couple of scans of this bridge. The registration is complete, but I'd like to go in and look at how good it is. So I can use the magnifier tool. I'm just going to tap here to launch it. And then I'm just going to tap on bridge. So I can see a couple of areas here. I've got some points, not a lot, so I can't really tell how good my registration is. It looks pretty good. I'm just going to tap right there on the side of that support for the bridge. Now you can see it's loading up all the points at full density for both of those scans. I'm just going to rotate and look at this from the top. And I can see that that looks like a really good fit. Now what's great about this tool is when I turn it off, it's going to take me back to my original view, so I don't get disoriented in the scene. Next, I'm just going to tap over here and look on the other side of the bridge at this other support, give it a quick look. Again, you can see the points have loaded up at full density, and I can see that I've got really good matching there. Now, if I wanted to increase the size of this viewing area, I can just tap up here on this plus sign, and it's going to increase the size. You can see now I've increased the area from 3 meters to 5 meters. And again, I can see all the points and look at there and see how that's going. In fact, I can even tap a couple more times to expand and make it bigger. Now, if I wanted a specific size, I can also tap right there on the number, and I can type in, for example, 3, and it'll zoom me down to 3 meters. So I'm just looking in that little 3-meter area. I'm going to turn it off. Now the second use case I'd like to show you is going in and looking at the density. So you can see in this case on the other side of the bridge, far away from the scans, it doesn't look like that many points. So I'm just going to tap there. And you can see it's zoomed in, so I see all the points way over there. And I can zoom in here a little bit more using my regular gestures. I can open the measurement tool. So if I want to, I can also come in here and do some quick measurements just to see what my spacing looks like. So I can see it's actually got pretty good spacing even all the way on the other side of the river. I can also access the tool from within the station-based view. So for example here, I'm in the station-based view. I can click on the magnifier, tap up here on the road area, and you can see it's going to take me into 3D, so I can look at that area as well. So those are a couple of great ways to use the magnifier tool inside of Trimble Perspective. Make sure you've downloaded the latest version and give it a try.